Myself Ms. Tejasri Kusbe, lecturer from Pravin Patil Polytechnic Bhayandar. My subject is maintenance of electrical equipment. In this video you will learn about practical number 11, which is prepare the maintenance schedule and troubleshooting chart for the 3-phase induction motor. So first is practical significance. Maintenance is a process which includes regular or periodical checking, testing and replacing defective parts. A good and rigid maintenance practice helps to keep the machines in efficient conditions, keeping downtime to minimum. Troubleshooting chart is essential for successful breakdown and preventive maintenance. Troubleshooting is the process of identifying and rectifying the fault. Troubleshooting chart may be prepared before occurrence of fault or by keeping history of faults that have already occurred. Second is relevant program outcomes, that is POs. So first is PO2, discipline knowledge, apply electrical engineering knowledge to solve broad-based electrical engineering related problems. PO3 is experiments and practice, plan to perform experiments and practices to use the result to solve broad-based electrical engineering problems. PO4 is engineering tools, apply relevant electrical technologies and tools with an understanding of the limitations. PSO1 is electrical equipment, which is maintain various types of rotating and static electrical equipment. Third one is competency and skills. This practical is expected to develop the following skills for the industry identified competency, that is maintain different electrical equipment following safe practices. And this first is identify the problems in 3-phase induction motor. Second is identify possible faults and rectify the faults in 3-phase induction motor. And third is follow safe practices. Fourth one is relevant course outcome for this practicals are prepare maintenance schedule for electrical equipment, maintain rotating electrical machines. Fifth is practical learning outcome, prepare the maintenance schedule and troubleshooting chart for the 3-phase induction motor. Sixth one is minimum theoretical background for this practical is maintenance is classified as routine maintenance, preventive maintenance and breakdown maintenance. A rigid system of inspection and preventive maintenance will ensure long life, trouble-free operation and low maintenance cost. The main aim of maintenance is to maintain insulation in good condition. Maintenance of induction motor is carried out as per IS 900-1992. Every industry must maintain a troubleshooting chart or repair maintenance chart. This chart should contain record of maintenance activities either in the form of card or register. Troubleshooting chart helps in locating the fault and rectifying the faults in a machine is under breakdown. It will affect production of the industry, which may cause financial loss. Aim of maintenance engineer should be to minimize the downtime of the machine. Troubleshooting chart is very helpful during breakdown maintenance. So this is the circuit diagram for this practical. So figure 1 shows open circuit fault and figure 2 shows broken rotor bar. So these are the troubles. Resources required for this practicals are multimeter or continuity tester, tachometer, clip-on ammeter, test lamp, screwdriver, hammer, combination plier and spanner set. Precautions to be followed. First is make sure that supply is off and fuses are removed before carrying out maintenance work. Use proper tools during maintenance work. Third, if replacement of part is required, replace with proper rating or correct dimensions. Next is procedure. Students can visit workshop or machine laboratory of an industry or college to observe the maintenance activities carried out there. Visit any electrical industry and collect information on troubleshooting chart. Prepare troubleshooting chart of 3-phase induction motor. Collect information on troubleshooting charts from the internet. So you can visit to make troubleshooting chart or you can search it on internet. So in this blank area you have to write down the resources used actually for this practical. Next actual procedure followed, precautions followed, and next write down observations and calculation, that is maintenance schedule, nameplate details of the motor, Then you have to write down types of maintenance, that is routine, preventive or breakdown. Then you have to write down list the activities carried out during maintenance. Next, mention name of the part replaced. So if you replaced any part in this maintenance, then write down that part of the machine. Next is the troubleshooting chart of three-phase induction motor. So in your manual you have to write down troubleshooting chart of three-phase induction motor. So they have given some troubles and you have to write down possible fault, that is reason, and remedies or solution for these troubles. That is, troubles are motor does not start, motor runs hot, motor runs slow, motor vibrates, motor hums, then thermal overload, protection operates while motor is running. So these are troubles and you have to write down reasons and remedies. Next you have to write down results, interpretation of results and conclusion. Thank you.